Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can transfer money from one PS5 account to another. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. Unfortunately, you can't transfer funds from one PS5 account to another. The only way to transfer money between two accounts is to take money from one account and deposit it into the other, which can only be done through a supported payment method. This means that you will need to use an online bank account or credit or debit card or other supported payment methods to transfer money from one account to another. So that's basically how you can transfer money from one PS5 account to another. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.